This is a wildfire alert from Sherman County. Level 2 be set to evacuate from area south of Highway 206 and Monkland Lane, between John Day River and Fairview Road, areas north of where Higley Loop turns to Fairview Road. Be ready to evacuate at a moment's notice. Act early if there is any reason you might need extra time. Leave right away if you feel you are in immediate danger. If conditions change quickly, this may be the only alert you receive. If you will need assistance evacuating persons with additional needs, call Frontier Regional 911 at 541-384-2080. If you are experiencing an immediate life safety issue, call 911. This is a wildfire alert for the Ferry Fire in Sherman County. Level 2 be set. Evacuation level remains in effect and has been expanded. The evacuation area now includes from Starvation Lane and Highway 206 on the north side, down to Higley Loop where it meets Fairview Road on the south side, and from John Day River on the east side, over to Fairview Road on the west side. Power company crews are working in the area and have de-energized parts of the power grid to support public safety operations. Residents should stay alert, follow all directions from emergency crews, and be prepared to evacuate if conditions change. Be ready to leave at a moment's notice. Act early if you may need extra time. Leave immediately if you feel you are in danger. Do not fly drones in the area. Unauthorized drones interfere with firefighting aircraft and ground operations. If you need help evacuating persons with additional needs, call Frontier Regional 911 Center at 541-384-2080. For immediate life safety emergencies, call 911. This is a wildfire emergency update from Sherman County. Areas north of Highway 206, south of Starvation Lane between the east intersection of Starvation Lane and the John Day River has been upgraded from a Level 2 to a Level 3. Go now. Evacuate immediately. Leave without delay. It is unsafe to stay, and your life could be in great danger. Emergency services personnel may not be available to help you if you choose to stay. This may be the only alert you receive. Find resources at wildfire.org and .gov. If you will need assistance evacuating persons with additional needs, call Frontier Regional 911 Center at 541-384-2080. If you are experiencing an immediate life safety issue, call 911.